Hey kids, what are you doing?
We're building a city.
You're building a city, nice. All right, Jelijah, I have this cool hearing frequency test that I want you to listen to, okay?
Okay.
Tell me, what do you hear? Do you hear Laurel or do you hear Yanny, okay?
Okay.
All right, Jesmee? Okay, here we go.
Yanny. Yanny. Yanny.
I hear Laurel.
You hear Laurel?
Yeah.
How about you, Jesmee? What do you hear?
Yanny.
You hear Yanny? What do you think I hear?
I think you hear Laurel.
I hear Laurel. I hear Laurel.
Hey guys, what did you hear? Did you hear Laurel or Yanny? Put your answers in the comments below. Bye.